southeastern Arizona, northeastern Pima County in southeastern Arizona, until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:50, indicated line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located just north and northeast of Tucson. They circle through the Cape Verde area in Oregon and moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Tucson, Oro Valley, Miranda, Flowing Wells, Cape Verde, Casa Adobe, Fortalita, Reddington, Catalina Foothills, Mount Lemmon/Summer Haven, Pizza Ranch, Vail, Davis-Monthan Air Force Base, and Sabino Canyon. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Some wind damage with this storm will occur well ahead of any rain or lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: northeast Pima, southeast Pima, and southeast Pinal.
Shoot.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio WX